The WaveAce combines long memory, a widescreen display, extensive measurement capabilities, advanced triggering, and excellent connectivity to improve troubleshooting and shorten debug time with bandwidths from 40 MHz to 300 MHz, sample rates up to 2 gigasamples per second, and waveform memory up to 2 megapoints. The WaveAce exceeds all expectations of a small, affordable oscilloscope. Long capture and zoom, 32 automatic measurements, 5 waveform math functions, built-in pass-fail test, digital filtering, waveform sequence recording, and advanced triggering are features that simplify how you work. The WaveAce user interface is designed to save time and make all the features easily accessible. All knobs on the front panel have push-button functionality to simplify common tasks. Save waveforms, settings, and screen captures to a USB device, or connect directly to a PC via USB or LAN for remote control. The WaveAce can be paired with LeCroy's Logic Studio 16 logic analyzer to turn your PC into a mixed-signal oscilloscope with tools for capturing, viewing, and measuring analog, digital, and serial signals like I2C, SPI, and UART in one place. Connecting WaveAce to the same PC as LeCroy's WaveStation waveform generator enables transferring real-world signals from the oscilloscope to the generator. Simplify the debug process with WaveAce.